Today we're with David Black. David Black is a Phoenix or criminal defense attorney in Fiona. He has agreed to answer some online questions for us. If you're looking for a defense attorney, all you need to do is you can reach out to David directly, or also he's agreed to answer the questions below for you directly. So if you have any questions after this video, post them down in the comments section. He's going to get back to you as soon as he can. With that said, David, let's go ahead and get started into our first question. Is it true that if someone them, but you don't kill them, they can sue you?
I'm sorry, Ryan, can you repeat that question for me?
The question is if someone breaks into your house and you shoot them and they survive, can they still sue you?
You know, as lawyers, we're frequently asked if somebody can sue somebody else. The short answer is sure, anybody can sue anybody, but the better question is, can they win? The answer is, were you negligent? If it was if you left an open and obvious attraction and it was a child who snuck in to play with the open and obvious attraction and then you shot them because you didn't care to see who it was, then I bet they could win. Now, if it's a burglar who's wearing a mask and it's late at night and they have in their arms what appears to be a weapon, absolutely not. They're not going to win. And then there's a gray area in between. So I guess the answer to the question is yes. Not only could they sue you, they could win depending on the circumstances.
Okay. All right. We have another question here. The second question is, I was arrested and charged with discharging a firearm. I am being charged with a misdemeanor. Am I going to jail? Also, the police confiscated my gun. Can a lawyer help me get my gun back?
Ryan, unlawful discharge of a firearm in Arizona is a felony offense. It's a dangerous offense also. It's also called Megan's Law out here in Arizona, and in fact, you can go to prison for that. Will you actually go to jail? Less likely than not, you will not. Sorry, more likely than not, you will not be going to jail. And can you get the firearm back? It depends, Ryan. It depends on too many factors to answer right now. If you're a felon, no, you can't get it back. If it's a misunderstanding, absolutely you can.
Okay. This one's fairly specific as well. I was at a nightclub. A guy was hitting on my girlfriend. We got into a scuffle, and I hit him with a bottle. I am being charged with aggravated assault with a weapon. What are my best and worst case scenarios?
Ryan, if I understand the question correctly, you struck the individual with a beer bottle at a nightclub. Is that correct?
That is my understanding, yes.
The best case scenario, it's self-defense, and it is a complete defense, and you're guilty of nothing. Worst case scenario, it's aggravated assault with a deadly weapon. The individual, assuming they survived, nevertheless is a victim of a crime that carries up to 15 years in the Department of Corrections, and in fact, no less than 5 years. It's a very serious offense. Obviously, you could kill the individual, and then you're looking at a second-degree murder or manslaughter charge with a presumptive term of 10.5 years, up to a couple of decades, actually.
Wow, so you're saying if you hit someone at a bar with a bottle, you're looking at a minimum of 5 years if you significantly hurt them?
Even if you don't injure them, Ryan.
Wow.
Yeah, you'd no less than 5 years.
Okay. Another question was, this one's pretty straightforward. Cases go to trial.
I'm sorry, Ryan, can you repeat the question?
Do most criminal cases go to trial?
No. The vast majority of cases settle before trial, both criminal and civil. I believe criminal cases go to trial more often than other types, and DUIs more often, at least in my experience, than most other criminal cases. But we're still looking at somewhere between 3% and 7% of the cases proceeding to trial.
Oh, okay. And the final question we have here was, with all the police shootings that have been happening lately, what rights does anyone have anymore? I'm a young black man. I've never been charged with a crime, nor do I plan on being involved with one. If I'm pulled over, what should I do?
Ryan, the answer is cooperate, potentially record. I think maybe if I were a young black male, I would have my phone ready to hit record, but I wouldn't try to make any points or prove anything. I would simply submit, cooperate, and move on. That's my instructions.
Okay. Not a bad idea with the getting your phone ready just in case. With that said, David, I want to thank you for your time. To the people who watched the video, if you have any questions, post them in the comments below. And obviously, if you have a pending issue that you want to talk to with an attorney with, just feel free to reach out to David directly. Thanks again, David.
Thank you so much, Ryan. Have a great day.